So you're getting that frustrating Windows Store error? Okay, let's fix it step by step.
Yep, if this is the error you're seeing, you are in the right place. Let's dive in.
Okay, first things first. We're going to check some key Windows services the store needs to run.
This service is super important for installs. Just follow these steps, then give your PC a restart.
All right, next up are some command line fixes. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds.
Super important. You have to run this as an administrator. Otherwise, the commands just won't work. Just type or paste this in. It tells the Windows Store service when to start up.
Next, we'll restart the Windows Update service. The two are connected, so this helps a lot.
Okay, sometimes the problem isn't the store itself, but your account. Let's check those settings.
If your time zone or country is off, it can cause weird errors. This quick check often solves it.
All right, time to clear out some old data. Corrupted files can cause all sorts of problems.
Pop open Command Prompt as an administrator again and run this. It'll reset the store's cache.
Renaming this folder basically forces Windows to create a brand new one, clearing out any junk.
And for our last fix, this one's the big gun. We're going to completely reset the store app. Just like with Command Prompt, you absolutely have to run PowerShell as an administrator for this to work.
Go ahead and carefully paste this entire command in, then just press Enter. Easy does it. Just let it do its thing. Once it's finished, give your PC one last restart.